Participants are asked to wait for 5 minutes. We'll start the session before 15. Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to welcome you all for the one-day online FDP on AI tools for research and teaching, organized by Department of Artificial Intelligence, St. Xavier's College, Autonomous, for University in association with Principals. And I would like to welcome Organizing Secretary Dr. E. Sathaya Chitra, Assistant Professor of Artificial Intelligence Department to
Heavenly Father, we come before you with gratitude as we begin this faculty development program. Bless this gathering of educators with wisdom, knowledge, and a spirit of collaboration. Guide our minds and hearts so that we may grow not only in our expertise but also in our passion for teaching and learning. May this program be a source of enlightenment, innovation, and professional growth. We seek your blessings for the speaker staff members, and all the participants. May this journey be fruitful and enriching for everyone. Amen. Shall we, ma'am? Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am. I would like to
Kindly introduce
welcome
the
the
speaker.
yes, ma'am. I would like to welcome
Ma'am,
today's
little bit raise your
speaker.
voice, ma'am. Shall ma'am?
Okay, ma'am. I would like to welcome today's speaker, J. Sherin ma'am, working as an assistant professor in MIT Engineering Autonomous Teaching, and she has completed her UG degree and PG degree from Sarnath College of Engineering, and she has published scope paper and 6 UGC approved journal, and have filled one patent and published another paper on the topic of AI and IoT respectively. And she was writing a book with a team titled Internet of Things, published in the year of 2024 in Journal of Application. And they are interested in IoT, AI, animation, and designing. And I welcome Sherin ma'am to start the session. Sherin ma'am, you're on mute. Ma'am, you are on mute, ma'am.
Ma'am, kindly raise your voice, ma'am. Sherin, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I have informed her. She will unmute.
Ma'am, kindly share your screen.
Ma'am, is my voice audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Audible, ma'am. Kindly share your screen, ma'am.
Yes, can you see the screen, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to discuss the topic AI tools for teaching and research. Before going into the topic, we will see what is AI and how AI is used, then applications of AI like that, and then I'll show you what are the applications used for teaching and research, AI applications that will help for teaching and research. So, first, what is AI? AI refers to the
Ma'am, kindly
simulating.
share your screen.
Ma'am, can you see the screen, ma'am?
No, ma'am. Possible.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, now can you see the screen, ma'am?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
What is AI? AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think, reason, learn, and make decisions. AI systems use algorithm and data to mimic cognitive functions such as problem solving, pattern recognition, language understanding, and decision making. It also helps us to solve all the problems. If, for example, if you want to prepare an PPT, you just type the topic, and if you're giving what you want, like a explanation for the PPT, or you want to create a presentation, then it will give you. So the work has been reduced by the AI. All the human work is reduced by the AI. It also gives you some even the if you're not finding any book, it will show you the answer for the question. How AI is used in education. It adapts to individual students' learning style. AI chatbots and virtual tutors provide instant feedback and guidance on specific subjects. AI tools can automate grading, attendance tracking. AI can create customized educational materials, including quiz, practice tests, and digital textbooks. Tools like Google Translate and AI language tutors help students learn new language. AI-powered tools provide support for students with disabilities, such as text-to-speech converting software. AI tools for teaching.
मन्नी खबर पे हम तो झूठ होता है हमारे जन्म में तो
The
क्या बोल महात्मा गांधी जी का स्पेलिंग बोल
first tool is
Sis,
eduaid.ai.
kindly mute your system, please.
Eduaid.ai is an AI platform that leverages data analytics, offers insight to students, perform and learn trends. Teachers use data-driven insight to identify area of improvement, adapt new teaching strategies for students who need extra support. EduAI helps educators create, adapt, and refine their instructional materials. This helps you to give the content in pictorial representation, or it uses like color strategy studying, so that it will help the students to develop their thinking and reasoning, and make them understanding that concept of that questions. It also helps the teachers to explain briefly to the students. Next, TeacherBot. TeacherBot is an online platform that creates and distributes interactive lessons, create quizzes, flashcard, and other content. Easy to use and accessible to teachers, valuable resource to anyone to enhance teaching practice. Next, ChatGPT. Almost everyone know about this ChatGPT. ChatGPT in current trend help everyone to find new content, and it also helps you to do many works. ChatGPT is a AI language model developed by OpenAI Assist with wide range of tasks, answering all the questions, explanation, engaging conversation. Teachers use to access information quickly, like brainstorm ideas, etc. Next, Toom AI website. This is a web-based AI tool create which helps to create presentation, one pages, mood board, uses the power of ChatGPT and DAL-E2 to generate text and images, user-friendly and accessible. ChatGPT only gives you the presentation and detailed questions, answers, essay, etc. But DAL-E2 provides you the images, like you can put the block diagrams, etc. using that. Like applications of AI in teaching. Personalized learning. There are many methods like personalized learning, virtual teaching assistant and tutor, automatic and administrative tasks, smart content development. improving accessibility, enhancing engagement through gamification, predictive analytics, and early intervention, global learning accessibility, skill development for the future, lifelong learning. First, we will discuss about what is personalized learning. Personalized learning is an AI that adapts content to sudden needs. Example, intelligent tutor system, adaptive learning platform, administrative efficiency, automating grading and attendance. AI-powered tools tools like plagiarism detection software, virtual teaching assistant, chatbot, answering the students' queries, etc. Example, we can see that ED Tech platform. This ED Tech platform helps the students to learn in the absence of teacher.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking,
AI
ma'am.
customizes educational content based on individual learning style, strength, and personalized learning. AI customizes educational content based on individual learning styles, strengths, and weaknesses. Adaptive learning platform adjusts difficulty levels and provide targeted feedback to meet each student's unique needs. Next is virtual teaching assistant and tutors. Ma'am, can you hear my AI-powered virtual tutors provide
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
24/7
ma'am.
support to help students solve problems and clarify concepts outside of class. Chatbot answers students' questions and assists in administrative queries. Next, automating administrative tasks. AI automates grading for multiple choice questions, essay, and assignments, saving teachers' time. It manages tasks like scheduling, tracking attendance, and generating reports efficiently. Next, smart content development. AI creates interactive learning materials such as digital textbooks, quiz, and videos. It simplifies complex topics through visualization tools like simulation and animation. Benefits of AI in teaching. Personalized learning path. It is a personalized learning path for students. It saves the time for teachers on repetitive tasks, enhances students to engage through interactive tools, data-driven insight into students' performance will help the students and the staff to know about the quality of the student, whether the student comes under average or below average level or excellent level. Next, improving accessibility. AI tools like speech to text software assist students with a disability. Translation tools help non-native speakers access content in their preferred language. Next, enhancing engagement through gamification. AI integrates gamified teaching learning experience to make education fun and engaging. Interactive simulations, virtual labs, and games adapt to learners' progress and interest.
கிளாஸ் பின்னாடி கிடக்குறா எப்படியா கொட்டுதோ எனக்கு ஒரு மடக்கா
Next is predictive
அவரு
analytics and early intervention.
இதுல
AI analyzes students' performance
அவருதானா
data
நான்
to
இப்ப வாங்கி
identify
தரேன்
at
ஜூஸ்
risk
இல்ல
learners.
எனக்கு ஒரு மடக்கு
Teachers and administrators can intervene early to address issues like poor performance or low engagement. Next is global learning accessibility. AI enables remote and online educators by powering virtual by covering virtual classrooms and learning management systems. It ensures access to quality education for students in underserved or remote areas. Skill development for future. AI integrates with the courses to teach students for future ready skills like coding, data analysis, and problem solving. Virtual labs and the AI driven platform allow students to practice and build real world skills. Lifelong learning. AI powered platforms like Coursera and EDX supports continuous education, allowing professionals to skill up and reskill. Key features of smart content platform. The key features of a smart content platform are content personalization, interactive learning, adaptive learning, smart content creation, data analytics and insight, accessibility features, integration with the learning management system, real-time feedback and assessment. It this helps actually content personalization is when you're typing a big essay and you want to know what are the key points. If you're typing or copy pasting the content, it will show you the key idea of the content. Interactive learning material is you can chat with the AI and you can clarify the doubt. If you are not familiar with the example, you take multiplication. If you're not familiar with multiplication, AI teaches you the shortcut to do the multiplication. Adaptive learning is any of the learning methods which we have seen previously. Smart content creation is it creates like a story and it teaches you to easily remember it. Data analytics and insight. It provides you charts, graphs based on the content and it helps you to learn from that. Accessibility features. Integration with learning management system, real-time feedback and assessment. This you will be using the LMS system. In some FDPs, they use this LMS to access the persons, access the students who are attending the FDP, so that they can provide an assessment, feedback, everything. Example of smart content. Example of smart content platforms is Coursera, edX, then Quizlet, Top Hat. Coursera and edX are adaptive content delivery and personalized course recommendations. These have many courses which are paid as well as non-paid. Next, Quizlet AI-powered flashcards and learning games for various subjects. Top Hat, interactive and customizable course content for higher education. Benefits of smart content. Platforms increases student engagement and motivation, saves time for educators by automating content creating and grading, enhances learning outcomes by providing targeted and efficient study materials, make education accessible. Software. இல்ல அது பின்னாடி வருமா? சரி மேம். ₹200. I'll show you Coursera, edX, and all the websites which are having the personalized content.
Sorry to interrupt you, ma'am. Your screen is not visible, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I'll share you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Now in Google, I have typed Coursera free courses. So if you're opening this Coursera free courses, you will be getting many topics like business analytics,
Kindly
whatever topic.
maximize your screen, ma'am.
Is it okay, ma'am? Can you see it, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. We can see.
Yes. Build a free website with WordPress, then you're having getting started with Microsoft Excel. All this you will be having if you're clicking any of the course. You will be having all the details like what is the level, it is intermediate level or difficult level or moderate level, like that it will be showing, and you can see the enroll for free. If you're clicking this enroll for free, it will be asking you for your name, email ID, password, or you can join using Google. Then you will be having these videos which you can watch. They'll be teaching you like this, and the screen will appear like this, and they will be teaching you how to use Microsoft Excel. Then what are the things we can see in Microsoft Excel, etc. Next, I am going to show you next website. Next is EDX free online courses. This is similar to Coursera. You will be having many videos and many courses. Just you take any one of the course, like how to learn online. One certificate is you have to enroll, watch the video, and you have to answer the quiz. You have to create the account like this. You have to watch the video and you have to proceed further. There are many courses available in this. This is edu8.ai. This is actually free to use. You have to continue with the Google account or you can create an account. I am continuing with my account which is already linked. Now you are having the columns like this: engagement activity, lesson seed, prior knowledge and folding, assessment measurement, backward design organizer, differentiated instruction assistant, evidence statement, etc. In this, all you are having unit frame, evidence and assessment, foundation and lesson framework. You can go to unit plan. In this, you have to plan the units, how many units you are having and what are the topics important. This is project-based learning is on the based on the units, you'll be getting the projects. Next is backward design organizer. This backward design organizer will provide you what are the resources from where the content has been taken, like that it will be showing. And universal design for learning is where the model is used, like that they'll be showing. Next, here you are having group activities, then practice or choose the board assignment, extensive worksheets, informative text plus questions, assignment with mistakes, etc. So assessment is you can uh, use class poll. That is, this will all automatically create the students who are coming under average level, and then below average and extraordinary level. Next is teacher bot. Teacherbot.io. In this also you can create the account. It will provide you with the videos. Then all the subjects, your books will be available. Those books content will be displayed in this like pictorial form or in videos, so that it will be useful for the students to learn as well as for the teachers to teach. Next, everyone know about this chat GPT. In the chat GPT, if you are giving any content, for example, I'm giving objective of teaching. It will give you one brief passage about objective of teaching. Now I'll copy this, and you can also do like this. If you want only 5 points as objective, convert to 5 points, keep the semicolon, then paste the passage. You'll get 5 points. Key 5 points. This content has been reduced to 5 points. Now again, if you're copying the same content and if you're giving us You need the explanation for the content. It will give you brief explanation on each and every topic. Even this also shows you some block diagram for any topic. It shows you
Ma'am,
what are the.
ChatGPT we all know very well, ma'am. So kindly move to another AI tools,
Yes, ma'am.
just
Yes,
like
ma'am.
presentation, any other tools. ChatGPT we all know very well, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Next tool will be. Next is the tools for research. Willbot. This is also an AI tool. This helps you to. In this, you will be having paragraphs, grammar check, then AI detection, plagiarism checker, summarizer. Now I have copied the content from the previous ChatGPT content. Now, if you are giving paragraphs, it will show you the paragraph. Now you can check the AI for the same content. It will show you that this content is 100% AI content because we have copied the content from ChatGPT. So AI generated is 100%, AI generated and AI refined is 0%. Generated and refined is if you're copying and pasting some other innovative content, you will be getting AI refined. Human written. That is, if you are written the content and you are uh, used AI to check the content, then it is called human written and AI refined. Purely human written is it will be like it will show you what are the lines human has written and how much percentage you are having plagiarism. Now in plagiarism checker also, %100% human. Next tool is similar to Quillbot only, small SEO tool. This tool also, it is similar to Quillbot, but it has many features. It has plagiarism checker, then spell checker, word combiner, text to speech, reverse text generator, paragraph rewriter, essay checker. We can choose any one and we can convert it. Article rewriter. I am pasting the content which already I have copied. Click here to check. It has rewritten the paragraph. Now you can also check for plagiarism. See, it is showing you this 100% unique content. Plagiarized content is 0% because we have copied the content from the chat GPT. We have used rewriter and we have rewritten it. Then we have used plagiarism to check it. So the content is made 100% unique. Now I'll show you some of the other websites which we can use. First I'll show you, then I'll proceed with those softwares. YouTube summarizer, then document assistance chat PDF, writing assistant Lex, then presentation expert tool, sheets expert sheet AI, coding assistant GIT hub, Copilot, then LinkedIn growth Taplio, video creation Hygen, meeting assistant Fireflies AI, workshop assistants Notation AI, designer Canva, newsletter creator Beehive AI, email assistants Inbox Pro. Now I'll show you all these. Other than this, we are having many websites like AI bot. For AI bot, we can use ChatGPT, Google bot, then Bing AI, Claude, everything. If you want, you can note it. Then for writing the content, we'll be using Copy AI, Grammarly, Jasper AI, and WordTune. I'll be showing like categorized for writing. What are the tools we'll be using? I'll be showing you. If you want, you note it down. Then for prompt writing, research, presentation, for each and every topic, I'll be showing you the uh, softwares. You just note it down and you mark it which are ones are free and which are the ones are paid ones. Paid is you can buy through your colleges or through your organizations. Some are unpaid is you can use it on your personal in mobile or in laptop. For writing, we are using Copy AI, copy.ai. In this, you need to log in. I have clicked the demo version. In this, they are asking you the category. What do you want? Do you have to create content or account-based marketing or inbound leading process like that? They'll be asking. You have to give it. And how did you hear about us? They have asked. You have to give your company name, everything, and you have to give the topic. Just as in ChatGPT, you'll be giving the topic. Write an essay means it will show you like in essay what are the things we'll be writing, and it will give you like a humanized content. Only ChatGPT gives you AI content, but this gives you humanized content. This is Copy AI. This is for writing purpose. If you want to market. Next is Grammarly. If you are installing this Grammarly, once when your internet is on and if you are typing it in Word document, it will show you like that the mistake is here and the sentence is not proper. See, in this video you can see. Can you review the plan? They are asking. Can you review the plan by Friday? It is making the sentence correct. So this is also helps you to type. Next is Jasper AI.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
Yes, ma'am. It is asking for the first name and last name. I'm just giving my first name and last name, and I'll show you how to work on it. Workspace name. I'll give my college name. Next, job level. Individual. What is your role? You can give engineer. One second. அதுதானே வயசான சொல்ல இது முடிவு தேர்வு எனக்கு கணக்கு Next is we can use Notes GPT AI. This Notes GPT AI will help you to uh, generate content from presentation, YouTube, then the paragraph answers, etc. You should know the key points. Either you can generate like that, or if you are giving the hints or the keywords, it will develop you the largest content. See, in this, it is asking us to choose the PPT. For example, I will choose one PPT. I'll choose the same PPT which I'm explaining you. One side it will show you the PPT in the PDF format, and another side it will be showing explanations for each and every content. But the one thing is you shouldn't add images. It won't give you explanation for the images. It will give the explanation only for the content. Otherwise, image should be like block diagram that which human has used, which we have drawn. For that only, it will show you the explanation for the image which you have copied or pasted from Google or somewhere else. It won't show you the explanation. See, in this AI tool for teaching is the PDF, and the content is given here. I'm copying the content, and for your sake, I'm pasting it in the document so that I can show you easily. See, this is the explanation for the presentation. It will come like this. It will omit the pages which are having the images. So next is slides.ai. This slides AI will help you to create presentation, text to presentation, or topic to presentation, like that. We need to give the title, then we have to select the theme background color, then how many slides we want. So within 2 minutes it will prepare you these slides and it will give you. You can also use Google Scholar to find out the citation and co-authors of your paper. Then DOI number. DOI number is usually generated. You can check whether the DOI number is true or fake. For that also you are having DOI.ai to check the number, whether it is true number or it has expired. Like that you can check it. The list of Scopus Index journal, you can select all these journals, their ISSN number, and you can paste it in the website. And you can check whether this paper exists in Scopus Indexed or not. For a paper, plagiarism should be always less than 20%. See, all conference paper, if you want, you can note down these links in this Quillbot small SEO tool. I have already told you this Scopus Index and the all conference alert. These two websites. These two websites will show you the journal details and the papers which you can publish under those journals. I'll copy this link and I'll paste it in Google and I'll show you. See, in this, it will show you the list of Scopus Index journal. You can also add an event, and that is, you can also conduct conference and ask them publish the papers. Journals, if you are clicking the journals, it will show you Scopus, then UGC CAT, ESI Web of Science, then Google Scholar journals. Can note down the link. These are the tools used for literature review, that is Semantic Scholar, then ResearchGate, Iris.ai. These all three we can use for literature survey. Just you have to type the topic. What is your topic? For example, if you are planning like a solar panel dual axis tracking, you have to type the topic. It will show all the similar papers from ACI, Scopus Index, then UGC CAR, all the journals it will show you. You have to select the paper which you want to be reviewed for literature survey. Then you can give it. In ResearchGate, usually it will show you the referral similar papers which you can take it and you can find the keywords and abstract and you can develop the literature survey. Iris.ai will help you to map out the relevant literature based like already someone has done the paper, their literature review will be displayed and you can change some modifications in that and you can produce your new literature survey. Then AI
Ma'am,
tools
can you
for
explain the
data
Iris
analysis.
AI? Ma'am, ma'am, can you explain the
Yes,
Iris
ma'am.
AI AI tool?
എടാ നീ ഒന്ന് കാട്ട് ഇങ്ങോട്ടാകുന്ന അടിച്ചെടുത്തേ. ഇതൊക്കെ ഇതെല്ലാം കാട്ടാ.
It is asking you for what purpose. I'll give you for R&D. You have to create your mail ID, then name, last name, job title, everything, and then you have to submit. You'll be open with a screen where they'll just you have to type the title and it will show you the relevant literature surveys. AI for funding and grant writing is grant forward, open AI GPT, then grant writer AI. All these will provide you the funding and grant writing for the papers which have been published and which are waiting for the proposal and drafting. AI for collaboration and communication is Mangali, Zotero, and Shark plus AI bot. These will help you for communicating with other organizations and research papers and collaborate with peers.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
This, these are the tools for experimental design and simulation, console, multi-physics, MATLAB and simulation. Now also then console, multi-physics, MATLAB and simulation, AI in clinical trials. This will help you to build simulations or models, mathematical models, data analysis, and it will also help you to uh, reduce the need for physical trials. It will exactly correct it and provide you the answers. AI tools for text mining and natural language processing is SparseC, then GPT-3 or ChatGPT, RapidMinder, Word2Vec. This helps you to analyze literatures and summarize. Then it will process large amount of text, extract valuable insight or patterns from unstructured data. It will summarize the documents, and it will also it is an open source library where anyone can use it. AI tools for data analysis is Google AI tool, Tensor tool, RStudio with AI integration. This helps you to provide graph, and it also compares with the similar graphs which are already available. Future. Next, the AI is more developed and it will make all our work very easy. It will make the educators and researchers to reduce their work burden, and it will help them to perform well in their profession. It transforms the way of research conducted and makes it faster, more efficient, and more accurate. Uh, it is a wide variety. There are wide variety of AI tools for every stage of research process, from literature review to experimental design. While AI tools bring immense potential to researchers, you can access them. There are many in developing world. They are inventing new AI tools for each and everything. I have shown you notes.ai, slides.ai. Other than that, there are many summary.ai, summarizer.ai like that. Then text to ppt.ai, which helps you to create PPT, summarize the PPT, etc. So in daily work, they are developing many AI tools. If you start analyzing, you will get many tools, but these are the basic tools which we are using, and those are open source library. Do you have any queries?
Dear participants, kindly unmute your mic and you can ask any questions.
I'll share the PPT on a pencil with Shim will share you the PPT. I'll also attach the other links also so that it will be helpful for you. The links which I browsed in Google and showed you, I'll attach that in the PPT. So when once you click that link, it will redirect you to that page.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, Hello. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I just want to know, is there any alternative for the site where I can put the articles?
Ma'am, I can't hear you,
Upload.
ma'am. Ma'am, I
I
can't
want
hear
to
you.
know, ma'am, I want to know the alternative for
Ma'am, your voice is not audible, ma'am. Can you type in chat box?
ma'am, now it's audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I just want to know about the Sci Hub
Sai Hub. That is
alternative.
downloading. Yeah, downloading
Down,
the.
ma'am, I want to know the alternative where I can find all the article accessible because it is very difficult to get the article from the Sci Hub if it is not available or if it is not of open source.
Yeah, for that you can use SCI space. SCI space you can use. I'll type it in chat box. SCI space.
Can you repeat
In this you
ACI
can get the
space?
papers. Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Am I
Yes,
audible?
ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. For class activities, you can use LMS.
what is patent research? AI.
Sir, you have asked how to avoid plagiarism in research while using AI tools. Yes, actually, I showed you in a small AE tool, small SOE tool. You have to rewrite the content, make it humanized. Then, if you are checking with plagiarism, it will show you zero plagiarism.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I just want to ask about the plagiarism. See, I have written one of the research paper. During that time, I was checking the freely available plagiarism checker. When I was putting my document in that, it used to show there is no plagiarism. But when my guide has used the Turnitin, they found almost 30 to 40% of plagiarism. Is there, ma'am, is there any other tool where we can get the precise plagiarism data as
No, actually, there is a plagiarism checker.ai, plagiarism checker.ai, which is equivalent to Ternity software. You can use that also because it will show that is free to access because most of them won't have a Ternity software with them. So they we can use plagiarism checker.ai, and in that you can upload your paper, full paper. Even it will show the diagrams and the reference. If you would have copy the reference from some other's paper, it will show you.
Ma'am, one doubt.
Yes,
Suppose
ma'am.
if we are using this type of AI means whether they will draw the data from our mail and other thing, madam.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, not like that, ma'am. Not
Uh,
like that. They
and
won't
we
draw
are
it.
having that fear because it is an AI. Okay.
No, ma'am, no, ma'am. Actually, AI they have designed for that purpose only. Usually, this Quillbot SEO tools which we have referred that open source they
Yes.
won't draw any of the content. Some of the paid version they what they do after the payment they won't you won't be able to access it. So some of the paid websites are having problem like that. So you don't go for the paid websites. Instead you can go for free website. You can if you are having fear like that. Other than that, you can create one
Okay.
mail ID which is not having a link with your bank
Okay.
account or with your bank card like that. But maximum, they won't draw any details from your
Thank
mail
you.
ID. Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. I'll share you all the content. I'll also share you that how to get the explanation for the YouTube content. That all the slides and all the websites I'll share with the PPT so that you can get the
Thank you
PPT
very
from the
much.
pencil bit team. Yes, thank you for the session.
Hello.
Shalini ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I'd like to thank today's speaker, and I'd like to thank April Rockus Godwin, Principal of St. Xavier College, for giving us an opportunity to conduct this FDP in a good manner, and Dr. Love Sumit, Deputy Principal of St. Xavier College, SIP2, and Convener Dr. A. Anto Prinsley, Associate Professor of Artificial Intelligence Department, Co-Convener Dr. S. Saraswati, Assistant Professor of St. Xavier College, and Organizing Secretary Dr. E. Sahaya Chitra, Assistant.
Shalini ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I would like to thank all the participants and resource person and the Edward Workers Boarding Principal of St. Xavier College for giving this opportunity to FPP, and Dr. Lord Swami, Deputy Principal of the St. Xavier College, Shift 2, Convener Dr. A. Anto Prinsley, Associate Professor of Department of Artificial Intelligence, and co-convener of Dr. S. Saraswati, Assistant Professor of St. Xavier College, Organizing Secretary Dr. E. Sahaya Chitra, Assistant Professor of Artificial Intelligence, and Mr. Sajin Raj, Assistant Professor of Artificial Intelligence Department, and other staff members from both Shift 1 and Shift 2, research scholars, and the other participants from other colleges and other countries participants. I would like to thank all the participants for conducting the FTP in good manner. And I
Dear
would like to
participant, will
thank
share
today's
the
speaker. And I would like to thank today's speaker, Sherin.
Thank you, Shalini ma'am. Dear participants, the feedback form will be shared in the group. You all will post your feedback. Thank you all.
Feedback for the FDP is given in the chat window. All the participants are asked to fill the feedback. Thank you.